contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, from Los Angeles, California, the Player.
I got money in the bank.
I'm gonna get that dough and with them. Some ladies that know me know Strap is a pro. Fill up at the bar, go get a massage. Find me a couple, we can make it a massage. You be trying.
And the opponent, from Long Beach, California, the Man.
Welcome to all our SmackDown fans. I'm Michael Cole, here with Taz at ringside in San Diego.
Big shout out to all our great fans in the 619 area code here. I love San Diego, baby.
No kidding, partner. San Diego couldn't be more excited for SmackDown action, and we couldn't be more excited to be here. I hope this isn't the last time we see these superstars face off.
You're not going to hear me say this much, Cole, but I definitely agree with you. This has all the makings of a nice, long feud.
I don't know how nice it is, but there are certainly some issues between these superstars, and I think this match might only exasperate them.
Jeez, Cole, watch your language, will you? It's a family show.
I said exasperate. Oh, never mind.
Get the reversal, Cole. These superstars are on top of their game, but only one of them is going to have their hand raised at the end of this one.
And that's a real shame because, like you said, this has been a great match so far.
Well, what do you want, Cole? You want to say that everyone wins so nobody gets their feelings hurt?
I never said that. I'm just saying that in a great match like this, everyone involved is great for the fans and build some momentum at the same time.
When you're getting fired up, this crowd is really swelling this guy's head.
There's no doubt that these fans love him, Taz, and he's feeding off that energy right now.
I feel like a real jerk when somebody counters you like that. Wow, great reversal. Man, I'll tell you what, man, this one's just turned into a fight. Pure and simple.
His opponent to tap out right here. He saw that one coming. It sounds like this capacity crowd has something on their mind, Taz.
Yeah, and thousands of paying customers can't be wrong.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
That's the law of the jungle, Cole. An injured superstar's like a wounded animal. It's survival of the fittest.
And that also means that if you're not at 100%, you've got to be able to hide it from your opponent.
You got that right, Cole. This business is as psychological as it is physical. You can't let your opponent think you're easy pickings.
Well, I wouldn't consider any of these superstars to be easy pickings, no matter how beaten up they get.
This has been a great match so far, and I think it's pretty obvious which way